Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Shit, I already get you. No, he gonna get you right now. Got 22 cents with that. Baby.
So I do a lot of YouTube, you know. What's your name and what's in here, man?
Shean Singleton.
Okay.
4 ACCA 15s on 2 ACCA 5Ks. 140 amp hour lithium C-Mag.
Okay.
370.
Nice. And this isn't a Magnum?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you know your tunings on the enclosure?
Rear's 19. The front I tuned to peak.
Okay. Where's your peak at?
It peaks at 29.
Oh,
Just
nice.
160 on the dash at 29.
There you go. Oh, that's low. All right. Very nice. On the power, too, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
Nice job.
Efficient.
Yeah.
It'll play down to about 14 comfortably.
Jeez. Nice job, man. Yeah, that's, what is that, like a, probably a 60, 59,
No,
right?
it's a 60.2 on the dash, a 61.6 in the
Oh,
kick,
yeah.
and like a 59 at your chest.
That's what a really efficient build does. You could show what you can do with a good amount of...
just 2 5Ks.
yeah,
RMS
man.
power for the subs, basically.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome. Good job. Do you ever do any subsonic on that? That's pretty low.
Yeah.
Wow, that's crazy low. Whew. You done or you got one more?
I can use it.
Okay, one more. Sure, man. Man, that was awesome. Tearing off my hair a little bit there. Crushing. Yeah. A little lower?
Yeah.
Okay. actually got windier. Wow, nice job.
Oh yeah.
Man, that's good when you can get that low. I guess you built it to play the lows real well.
Tuned it nice.
Yes, sir. Very nice. Thank you, man, for the demo. That was awesome, Sean. Have a good day. Oh, one more. Okay. All right, let's do one more.
You don't get to feel it right here very often.
Okay. What's your higher frequency peak you're about to do? 29? Okay. All right, 29. Whoa, that's a different feeling in your ear there. Wow. Go. Once upon a time, justice good, and people are behaving like they are too good. They're living in a life of us. That was crazy. I appreciate it, man. Wow. Nice job. Congrats on the build. That's what a really efficient build does. You could show what you could do with a good amount of
just 2 5Ks.
you know,
Yeah, man. Power for the subs, basically.
Yeah. Awesome.
It'll play down about 14 comfortably.
Jeez. Nice job, man. I appreciate the demo. Sean, right?
Yes.
Thank you, Sean. Nice to meet you, man.